This is the 2020 pre-owned Porsche Cayenne that Northtown Porsche of Buffalo has acquired into its inventory. At Porsche of Buffalo, we have replaced the brakes and added new front and rear tires onto this Cayenne. The exterior is finished in a beautiful white metallic with 21-inch RS Spyder Design Wheels. This Porsche has just over 53,000 miles on the odometer. The window trim is optioned in a high gloss black, as well as the roof rails that are also optioned in that high gloss black. There is a Premium Package Plus, which adds LED matrix design headlights with Porsche Dynamic Light System Plus, as well as rear taillights. The powered tailgate gives access to a sizable 26 cubic feet of cargo capacity with the luggage cover. With the second row down, there is a large 60 cubic feet of cargo capacity. For driver convenience, there is keyless entry. Moving on to the interior cabin with its black Mojave Beige, the driver is giving a leather-wrapped steering wheel with semi-digital gauge clusters with built-in navigation and a heated steering wheel. The Premium Package Plus has also been added onto this Cayenne, giving auto-dimming mirrors, power steering plus, a 4-zone climate control with front and rear heated seats for its spacious back seat with front ventilated seats, lane change assist with Porsche Active Safe, Bose surround sound system, ambient lighting, and a panoramic roof system. This Cayenne also has garage door controls and front and rear parking sensors with a backup camera. This 2020 pre-owned Porsche Cayenne is available at Porsche of Buffalo on Main Street in Williamsville.